Apple warns that users of the iPhone May 14th have trouble setting up iMessage and FaceTime right out of the box. Apple released a support document today that lists possible problems customers might have when setting up their new iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. Due to problems with activation in iOS 16.0, iMessage and FaceTime may not work right away. Some problems with the iPhone 14 include not being able to get iMessages or FaceTime calls, getting green bubbles instead of blue bubbles when talking to another iMessage user, and the other person seeing that your messages are coming from the right account. In short, iOS 16.0 has new device setup bugs that have to do with how iMessage and FaceTime activate the device. Since so many people are buying iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max models with iOS 16.0 already installed today, this is a bad time to do this. The good news is that Apple has already fixed these issues with iOS 16.0.1, which came out yesterday. Apple says that problems with iMessage and FaceTime should be fixed if you update to the latest version of iOS. Before you even get to the home screen, your new iPhone may ask you to upgrade as part of setting it up. If not, after you get your iPhone 14, go to Settings, General, Software Update to get the latest version. If you updated to iOS 16.0.1 and are still having problems with iMessage and FaceTime, you may need to change some of the iMessage settings. Apple says that you should first go to Settings, Cellular, and make sure that your phone line is turned on. Then go to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive in Settings. Tap the number you'd like to use for iMessage. Tap the phone number you want to use with FaceTime when you go to Settings, FaceTime. If you do those steps, the activation process for these services should be reset, and your iPhone 14 should then work as usual.